Our customers are the lifeblood of our business, so when they give us a glowing review, we love telling everybody about it, and that's because we're focused on giving each customer a 5-star experience. Let me share what one of our customers had to say about us. Great reviews like this one fuel us to maintain the highest level of customer satisfaction possible. Making our customers happy is our strongest motivation, and we strive to make them happy each and every day. We love reading reviews like this, and we hope it gives you the confidence to use our services in the future. So let us put our thousands of hours of knowledge and experience and 5-star customer service to work for you today. We'd love the opportunity to earn a great review from you too. It's great you had a chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.